Balances and structs tell the chain what is true now, but users and apps care about what happened. Events are the contract's loudspeaker, a cheap, immutable breadcrumb that anything, wallets, dashboards, Zapier bots, can consume in real time without touching global storage. You pay only compute gas, no long-term rent. Validators append events to an indexed stream so off-chain services can filter by type, sender, or time. An event is just a lightweight struct that can be copied and thrown away. Because it never lives in storage, it must not have store or key. Emit it with a single call. SUI attaches metadata, sequence number, timestamp, TX digest, and stores the blob in the validator's event DB. Downstream consumers subscribe by the unique type tag, ensuring they never confuse a swap event with a transfer event, even if both include an amount field. Need a live toast when a badge is listed? Open a WebSocket to SUI get events. Need historical charts? Paginate the REST endpoint, or query the community Postgres indexer. For enterprise-scale analytics, pipe the stream into Kafka, then transform with Flink or Materialize. Choose the tool that fits latency, complexity, and cost. Events are API contracts. Populate them with canonical fields your consumers need and nothing more. Avoid MISC blob temptations. Blobs break filter queries and bump payload size. If you foresee evolution, add a version U8. Downstream services switch on the version, just like migrations and REST. Because events share the same commit as your writes, they can't lie. If the listing update rolled back, the new listing event never appears. SUI's DAGI consensus finalizes blocks without forks, so you won't see reorgs, but network hiccups can resend the same frame. Always idempotently process, digest, index pairs. Front-end wallets shouldn't hammer RPC for every query. Instead, stream events into a database, compute materialized views, and let the UI hit a high-speed GraphQL endpoint. Because events are append-only, you can always replay from the last checkpoint if your ETL crashes, guaranteeing eventual consistency. On-chain, we declare earn event and call event :emit. Off-chain, the Meston.j SDK opens a WebSocket to a full node, filtering by the exact type tag. Every time the function runs, your bot prints a celebratory message or writes to a database. Less than 20 lines of code, zero extra gas, infinite integrations. The scenario harness exposes helper APIs to count and decode events. We invoke earn, commit a block, then assert there's exactly one earn event with the correct payload. If a refactor accidentally removes the event : emit, this test catches it before users and indexers fall out of sync.